Hi, I'm Casey Truby, and I've been around the accounting business since 1969. But today, we've got three major problems that are causing us to pull our hair out. Number one is finding and then retaining grade A clients. Well, it's just flat difficult. And the second one is finding and retaining the grade A staff. It's tough to keep these people on board, so we end up doing all the work. But the biggest problem of all is we needed some methodology to move our clients from basic commodity pricing, get it as cheap, get it as low cost as possible, to high value work that might generate 25 or 50,000 a year from a small business client. Now, you know I've been in the accounting training business for years. Since 1985, I've taught 18,000 accountants, tax preparers, and bookkeepers how to find clients. You'll see lots of endorsements on here, most of them from years ago because I stopped in 2005. And if you're just interested, I'm also pretty good at bringing people into QuickBooks seminars, over 250,000 attendees between 98 and 2005, but I stopped at that time because I got married. And I wanted to help my wife start a brand new full-service bookkeeping company and raise our son. But using outside contractors with my wife's bookkeeping business, it worked so well that she was able to sell out this year. And now she wants to retire and open a horse motel with a bed and breakfast in Arizona. But I'm going to tell you something interesting. What really made all this happen is that everything she learned, she put into action because there are some phenomenal changes going on that make this possible to actually get things done. The things we haven't wanted to do in the past. And the really giant one is that today, there are so many people over 55 years old at home that want to work part-time that you can hire contractors to get everything done, to get all the leads in you need and to get all the work done. And this is being caused because we're in three major shifts. Now, this is all happening at one time. In history, if you read history, if you're a fan of it like I am, you know that wealth shifts during three events. If there's a technological advance, wealth shifts. Just look at how much wealth went to Facebook and Microsoft and Google over the past 20 years. If a political event takes place, wealth shifts, or a social phenomenon occurs. We're in all three, and I'm going to tell you what they are. We've got a technological advance like nothing we've ever seen with smartphones. Look at how many people are on their phone night and day. That is impactful to the way we sell accounting and what people expect. And of course, going paperless and cloud computing, those are things that we've been hearing about for a couple of years. Converting that into revenue is critical. I'm going to show you how in this seminar. Now, here's something that's really affected all of us. A political event takes place, and the political event that's happening today is the socialization of risks. People don't want to take risk anymore, whether they're big banks or somebody that got caught in a storm or someone who got pregnant without a husband. Nobody wants to take risk. They want to socialize this. Well, that makes the cost of hiring people in a business very expensive and very dangerous. But the biggest thing of all that you're going to learn about in this seminar is there's a social phenomenon taking place, and that's the number of people that want to continue working once they reach age 55. And these are part-time 1099s. There's no overheads or benefits. You can pay them on performance. And the labor cost is phenomenally inexpensive. Now, this is why this is so important. I'm going to show you 11 ways to get business in these 2 days. But it's all going to focus around getting things done. And I'm hiring seniors who are generating sales leads. Every day I get emails like this with appointments set. And you know, one of the reasons we don't build our business, and it hasn't really worked out for us over the years when you go to a seminar, is because we hear how we're supposed to do something that we just don't want to do. But I'm using other people to do the things I don't like, and that's generating a funnel full of leads. So I get all the leads I can, and then I go back to those people and look for ways to build our relationship from 2, 3, 4,000 a year up to 25 or 50,000 a year by using a methodical process that's flow charted out and detailed, and you'll receive all this information in this 3-day class. So sign up today. You're going to be blown away by the 11 ways to bring in referral business and the one major thing we're doing today with contractors to generate a steady flow of leads. Thank you very much for listening. We'll see you at one of the 6 seminars. And remember, they sell out at 24 attendees in each one. So once the room is full, then we can't take any more reservations. Thank you.